Hello guys, Merry Christmas and a Happy Holiday. I am Imad from Orlando. ازيكم يا جماعة، السلام عليكم. أخوكم عماد من أورلاندو. دي أيام الكريسماس، طبعا الناس هنا بتشتري زي المجانين. People drive like maniacs and people buy like maniacs. Shopping spree. What I don't understand, we inflation, but you see here TV, 55 inch, 248. That is dirt cheap. That is cheaper than before. تلفزيون هنا حضارات، يعني قبل التضخم كان اغلى، بعد التضخم رخص. ازاي؟ ما اعرفش، ما عنديش اي فكره. اوكي، في عندك تلفزيون تاني روكو ده is very famous, is good brand, I highly recommend it. It's 55 inch 4K 248. شايفين حضرات؟ 55 بوصة ب $250. تعال نتفرج بقى على حاجة تانية. 65 بوصة 65 inch Viso is good brand. Used to be bad but now is good. Okay, 65 inch, that's a theater. Okay, $400. I don't think you can beat that. Okay, and 58 inch 268 58 بوصة ب 270. Okay, I don't understand how come it's cheap like this. I have no clue. Okay, 65 inch is 400. TCL is not bad. Okay, before they say Sony is better. Okay, that's nonsense. Okay, now a lot of name brand compete Sony. Okay, all right, technology is getting better and better and better. Okay, I just want to see what is gonna sell on Christmas. They have a lot of stuff here, guys. Okay, and that's not even start yet. Wait when you get started. That's Curve TV. Curve TV التلفزيون اللي بيتدور، شايفينه حضرات؟ Okay, Curve TV used to be before the inflation price tag 800. Right now is 180. Used to be 200, now 180. That is cheap. 32 inch 32 بوصة. That is steel. In my opinion, steel. Samsung is name brand. Okay. Alright. There you go. I hope you guys like this video. I'm very sure it will benefit some people who want to buy something for the incoming holiday. Okay. أنا متأكد إن هو هينفعكم تشتروا حاجات للكريسماس holiday. Okay. So if you have any question or comment, please send me a note. Take care. See you later. Bye bye.